Welcome to AIFunnels, the world's first AI funnel builder inbuilt with Eva, the AI funnel assistant, plus our one-click ChatGPT-4 content writer with hundreds of brand new ready to plug-and-play funnels. We've adjusted this awesome technology in your favor so you can apply only 3 easy-to-follow steps that practically anyone can do. Step 1. Activate. Activate Eva, the AI funnel assistant, with just a click.
Hello, I'm Eva, your virtual assistant. I'll assist you through your journey inside AIFunnels. Answer a few simple questions, and I'll find you the best one you can use. Choose your end goal.
Step 2. Follow. Follow the step-by-step, easy-to-follow instructions to create exactly the funnel you need.
Choose your business type. What do you want to create today? Good choice. Click me to initiate the search. Click me to view results. Here are the templates you requested.
Step 3. Profit. Enjoy exactly the funnel you need, plus hundreds of other brand new ready to plug and play funnels in seconds. Hundreds of hours and thousands of dollars worth of work and investment, all condensed into just seconds of your time by making just a few clicks. There's lots more awesome stuff inside AIFunnels, so let me show you around with a quick, in-depth walkthrough. I already showed you how the funnel assistant will help you create outstanding AI funnels for any type of business with just a few clicks. But now I'd like to show you how this breakthrough smart assistant works. The moment you click here to open the funnel assistant, you'll notice this is a high-end bot that's designed to help you choose the right type of funnel that will make you the most money, and it does that by asking you a few simple questions. First, it will ask you to select your end goal or objective, like generating subscribers, selling a physical product, lead generation, selling digital products, promoting affiliate offers, and many others. Next, it will ask you to pick your business type. And then it will ask you to select what you want to create, be it a bonus page, lead page, sales page, webinar page, a one-page website, and many others. You then click here, and the funnel assistant will look for the best AI funnels according to your choices. You can skip this introduction speech. Finally, click here, and in just a few seconds, the funnel assistant will show the results. You can choose any of the AI funnels that the assistant suggests because these are bulletproof, battle-tested, and proven to convert. All you have to do is identify the funnel of your choice. Click on the Builder button. Give your funnel a new name, and click on Save and Builder to start customizing it. See? With just a single click of your mouse, your new funnel is automatically created by the smart AI engine in just seconds with no coding and designing skills needed. And because these funnels are already designed to match your objectives and help you achieve your end goal faster, you will simply have to customize a few bits using our proprietary funnel builder. I will show you the builder in better detail in a short moment. As you can see, AIFunnels provides you with done-for-you AI funnels and funnel templates for every campaign and objective. But like I mentioned, you can also use our proprietary builder to do the job yourself from scratch. By clicking on this new landing page button, you will be redirected to the templates page, where you will be prompted to pick a template that will open in the builder. Here you will find hundreds of brand new ready to plug and play funnels for any purpose and niche. You will be able to preview any template you want before making your choice. Look how beautiful, professional, and high converting this page is. And then you just have to click on the Builder button, enter a name for your new funnel, and click on Save and Builder. This will open the AIFunnels Builder, a powerful drag-and-drop editor that is easy to use for total beginners and experts alike. Building your own landing pages with this tool is easy. You can access all the elements you need to build your pages right on the sidebar menu. You can pick from the basic elements needed to create a page from scratch to entire ready-to-plug-and-play sections, which will save you a ton of the work when building a page from scratch. You can tell AIFunnels funnels are put together by 6-figure marketers and designers just by looking at these done-for-you sections, which means you don't need to edit much. You'll just drag it, drop it, customize it, and that'll be it. And without writing a single word of code yourself, and also without having any designing experience. What's more, you can customize any section and element of your funnel pages by just clicking on it. And if you click on a text element, you'll be able to enjoy our one-click ChatGPT 4 content writer. You just need to click on the Generate with AI button. Enhance the prompt by using these buttons here. Click on the Generate button. It will show you the new text generated with human-like technology. You can generate additional options if you want. And use the one you like the most. And there you have it. You can generate 100% new, high-converting copy without writing a word yourself. You just need to click on a few buttons. And you can do this with the entire page. Let's go back home to show you more awesome stuff. You will be directed to the My Landing Page section. You will see your pages created listed here. And by clicking here, you can access the settings area, where you can customize everything related to the page name, publish it, add a fave icon, customize domain settings, SEO, lead generation, payment, and custom code, which lets you insert code like Google Analytics, custom CSS, Facebook Pixel, chat, and more to your landing page site and header and footer. One of the most requested features of any funnel builder is easy and quick integrations, and AIFunnels delivers by providing you with inbuilt integration with the most popular autoresponders in the market. AIFunnels is such a complete funnel system that it will let you manage all leads you collect through your funnels without ever leaving your account. All this information will help you learn more about your leads, and you can filter leads by landing page by clicking on this drop-down button. What's more, you can export your leads to an editable CSV file you can store and share on other devices. And this is not all, guys. We've prepared a series of video tutorials to help you learn how to use AIFunnels as a pro and make max profits on any campaign. And if you want to unlock even more marketing power for your account, you can always decide to upgrade to our more advanced tools. If you ever feel like you need even more features to take your business to the next level, just upgrade to any of the available plans. Believe me when I tell you that upgrading AIFunnels will be one of the best things you can do for your business. So take a look at all the killer features offered by each plan and give them a try. You won't regret it. We have also added this really nice feature where you are able to predict the profitability of a sales funnel by adding your currency, some expenses info, pages info, and preview the results. What's more, you can add products or services that you can sell directly from your landing pages using the integration with your PayPal or Stripe. Here you can even view orders conveniently displayed and see the status of orders processed through PayPal or Stripe. We've also prepared a special section, especially for affiliate marketers. Guys, we have saved you a ton of work related to affiliate marketing. We have collected the JV page link, the reseller page link, and the sales page link for the highest converting affiliate offers, so you can get the most out of it. Affiliate marketers know this is gold information. The DFY bonus section is a special section we have prepared as well for affiliate marketers or marketers in general. This consists of a collection of bonuses you can use to dramatically increase your affiliate or general selling conversions. In this world of continual changes in the marketing world, it is very important to count on proven and updated information. That's what we are giving right inside the agency and Profit Academy training areas. Step-by-step, over-the-shoulder, profitable driving training at your fingertips. And last but not least, you'll also get access to our exclusive bonuses and a frequently asked questions area. This is just terrific, guys. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's lots of awesome stuff inside AIFunnels, but I can't show it all in just this short video. Just get inside and see for yourself. Really, no other solution will give you as much value for your money. So if you're looking to take advantage of the world's first AI funnel builder, inbuilt with Eva, the AI Funnel Assistant, plus our one-click ChatGPT 4 content writer with hundreds of brand new ready to plug and play funnels, then try AIFunnels today. You'll be glad you did. See you on the other side.